Hello viewers. Welcome back to Worldgist Mega TV on education. If today is your first time of visiting this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and the bell icon for notification. So as soon as we post our new videos, you would always be the first to see it. Thank you so much for doing so.
Hello viewer, welcome back to Worldgist Mega TV, where we teach us, because I also learn when I'm teaching you guys. Today I am going to show you how to uninstall a software from your PC or your laptop. Okay guys, let's dive into the business of installing a software from your laptop or from your system, desktop, PC. Let's dive into it guys. What you have to do now, normally you will see your control panel here, but I already put it on my desktop. So I click on it now. When you click on it, you have to search for uninstall a program. For you to find this, you have to click or scroll down. Review your computer status, no. Network and internet, no. Hardware and sound, no. Programs, yes. Under your programs, you will see uninstall a program. Click on install a program. Now you will see what will happen. Under that, you will see all your software in your systems. All the softwares in your systems will appear here. Then you have to scroll to search for the software you want to uninstall from your PC. You are following me up? Look and watch carefully, for it's very easy, not hard at all. As for me today, let me search for a software I will uninstall. Actually, I don't have any software to uninstall, but I just want to check for any of the software if I will see anyone I want to uninstall from my system or PC. Let me search for software I want to uninstall now. Right. Make sure you click the right software you want to uninstall before you uninstall the wrong software. Okay, I continue to search now. Okay, let me use this one as an example, like the let's search this one now. Let's search for this movies to play now. Let me check. Let me uninstall this from my software. Immediately you click on the software you want to uninstall, you will see this appear on your desktop. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your laptop or to your device? Yes. Then you say uninstall. If you don't want to, if you have changed your mind and you don't want to uninstall it again, you can click no. But if you want to continue with the uninstallation, click yes. You see what we come out here. We direct guide you through Okay, it will ask you, please tell us why you want to uninstall movies. You can make you can make your own decision. I am no longer using movies. Movies do not work on my computer. I am reinstalling movies. It's not what I expected. Others. As for me, I no longer want to use it. No longer using it. So I click uninstall. Alright. Sometimes some software will require you to reboot your system. In that case, you have to do so in order to properly uninstall all the files from your system. Okay, now it said it's completed. Then close it. That's all. Let's search for it. We see there now. Let's search for it. You will see how movies here. Search for it carefully. Movies is gone. It's no more there. Hallelujah. Alright, that is it. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed for our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Please don't forget to share as usual. Like and subscribe for our next video. Stay blessed.